Welcome. I am Eric Mwade, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So we are seeing the last trading day for the month of October 2021. Let's take a look at Apple here, which is down about 4% in today's early morning trading. So that was as a result of a gap down this morning. So I want to discuss what we can learn from this reversal. So yesterday it closed right there and now trading right there. So a big reversal overnight. So we are going to be taking a look at this from a technical standpoint only and trying to see whether there was anything that could give us indication of a potential trap. Now we can see this behavior here where we've gone above RSI 69.1, actually, correction, RSI 61.8. We've gone above it and back below it with uniform action. Clearly, whenever you see this type of a rejection with uniform action, it is a trap. So on hindsight, this looks like it was a swing trade trap based on uniform action above and back below RSI 61.8. All right. There are other ways to arrive at the same type of conclusion, and I'm going to draw a couple of lines. So the first line is the obvious line, which is the RSI topside line. And you can see the market did tag that over the last two trading sessions. Oh, by the way, I should mention before I forget that one of the reasons why we are seeing this relatively big down day here is because the RSI is also dropping below 50, and because it's a daily candle, it means that it's gonna close more than likely towards session lows if the RSI remains below 50. So as you drop below 50, you tend to have a relatively big expansion in price activity. And in this case, since we are moving below 50, chances of staying and closing towards the day lows are very high due to the phenomena I call RSI 50 crossing. But back to the point of this video is the convergence of lines. So the second line that I'm going to draw here is from this point. And again, it touches most of these points along the way. We got a break here of that high, and now also uniform activity rejection above the line back below it. There's also another line that happens to be the prior topside resistance line. Let me just draw it and I'll explain it. So this line previously connected the highs here and here, and close to these highs there. In other words, we moved above it here for this nice beginning of an uptick in prices. And since then, we've had reversal areas every time we go above the line, back below it. I'm talking about the black line. We go above it, back below it, we get a swing trade lower. Here we drop below the line, we come off the highs, and over the last 2 days, we've gone above the line, back below it. Now, because all of these lines converge right there where we see this reversal, maybe the market was aware about the potential for a trap around current price levels. So let me draw those lines again quickly. So the prior topside line. There's the backtest line. That's what I call it. And then there's the topside line. All of which were converging right there where we see this trap and a reversal lower. Could it have been possible for somebody to suspect that this was a trap area before today's drop? I'm not sure, but at least we know what it looks like after a trap has been successfully implemented. Maybe we can train our eyes for future types of games that the market plays. And so it is. I am Eric with Muade.com, and it is a great joy to leave you as I found you in the love and in the light of the one prime creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.